The Center for Judicial Integrity expresses profound concern over credible reports that Governor Hyacinth Alia of Benue State has allegedly boasted in a meeting with the inner circle of his appointees about allocating over 500 million naira to influence proceedings within the National Judicial Council concerning the removal of the Chief Judge of Benue State, the Honorable Justice Maurice Ikpambesi. This substantial sum was allegedly channeled through 3 Benue State officials: the Attorney General, Barrister Fidelis Mim, the Commissioner for Finance, Honorable Michael Egbe, and the Chairman of the Benue State Universal Basic Education Board, Dr. Grace Adagba. It is a matter that calls for the deep incursion of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission and the ICPC. These individuals listed above, like the Governor Alia himself, lack experience in public service before their current positions and have demonstrated a troubling disregard for due process, constitutional norms, and the sanctity of judicial independence. Reports indicate that they have attempted to compromise NJC processes by engaging with key officials within the judiciary. It is becoming increasingly evident that Governor Alia and his appointees, having never worked within the structured framework of public service, neither understand nor respect the principles of democracy, nor judicial independence and the separation of powers. Their actions reflect a dangerous level of ignorance about the fundamental workings of governance, wherein institutions like the judiciary must be shielded from unnecessary political interference. Rather than uphold democratic values, these individuals, the governor and his ilks, appear to view public office as an avenue for coercion and personal vendetta, disregarding the checks and balances essential to a functional democracy. However, it is reliably gathered that some members of the NJC have refused to accept any money from the agents of Alia, an act which restores confidence in the supreme body of the judiciary. Their principled stance against corruption reinforces the integrity of the NJC and strengthens public trust in our judicial system. This should be encouraged and this should be applauded. It is apparent that this administration of Governor Alia neither understands nor respects the judiciary's constitutional mandate. Preliminary investigations into Justice Raphael Joshua Egbe. Preliminary investigations into activities of Justice Raphael Joshua Egbe of the Federal High Court of Makurdi, who granted the expert order on the Benue State Election Petitions Tribunals, have revealed alleged cases of partisanship. Reports also suggest that he is deeply involved in the political affairs of the states, with indications of attempts to influence ongoing tribunal proceedings. Governor Alia, who was also a beneficiary of judicial intervention during election disputes, now appears determined to dismantle the very institution that upheld his rights at a crucial time. This hypocrisy and disrespect for democratic institutions should serve as a warning call to all who cherish the rule of law and who seek to protect our fledgling democracy.